Hello everybody, back again. I've done another one, and you can see the way it moves. And also, if you look attentively, it gives you sort of an idea, a simulation, a depth effect by moving wave inward. So to give you an idea that you're traveling through a vortex, so, you know, well, it's in a small way. It would be different if it was a bigger one. Okay, there we are. And yeah, it's very simple, but it's very efficient, and it works well while you talk. And if I don't talk, yeah, it does. If you look at if you look at it for a bit, it gives that idea of a vortex. Okay, there is a code. Honestly, there is not much to say about this, but it's same principle. I'm using pin 2 of the ESP32. Remember, this is a C3. So I might even put a pin map of the C3, because it's slightly different from the certain ESP32. The problem with the ESP32, all the pins are always different. Okay, so that's it. There's not much to say here. We have the library for the OLED screen. It's 12864. And yeah, wave, initialize the wave offset and the last sine value, and this one will be multiplied and divided and minus and so on the calculation. So there we are. And yeah, the same wire begin. Remember, you gotta tell, particularly, you don't have to do that on Arduino, but on a ESP32, you have to wire begin the pins, because it doesn't know that that some pins are, there is no specific SDA or ACL, so you put it anywhere and you just get the pins as as a SDA and ACL. And here it is to tunnel size map 0, 500, 5 and 30. Tunnel size constraint. Tunnel size again takes the 5 and the 30, which is the last one, and so on. There's not much to say about this code, but I will post them on YouTube, and I think it's an interesting exercise. You can change it, you can make it different if you want, probably with more depth, or you can even add I think you can add more waves. So, but it moves beautifully when it has live music. Unfortunately, I can't put any live music here, because otherwise they will not publish my video. Alright guys, thank you very much and have a beautiful day. Bye.